Okay, so today we are at 9808 South Kenneth Avenue, Oak Lawn, Illinois, 60453. We are here doing an attempt to repair for the insureds, Larry and Mary Ellis Torres. Today we're going to go attempt to remove this shingle. In order to remove that shingle, in order to repair that shingle, we must remove that shingle plus the additional shingles around it. We are now going to start the attempted repair process. As you can see, it's kind of hard. It's a little stuck. Actually, it's already pierced right there. That shingle became pierced already. As you can see, it's damaging the granulate loss right here. And it's already pierced through here with this flap, you can see. Go ahead. Okay, we have damage right here. Damage right here. As you can see, the shingle cracked. Damage right here. Oh, then we have, yep, cracked shingle here. And right here we have some granulate loss. Okay, and not only do we have that, but we also have a lot of, get down to show, can you lift that up a little bit, please? Okay. You can also see that we have mat transfer. Okay. So during this attempted repair process, this shingle was damaged 4 times.
Right here.
Yes.
And there's one right here.
Yes.
And one right here.
Yes.
And one right here.
Yes. So we have 2 piercings and then 2 spots where the shingle was just damaged during the attempted repair. Okay, let's go. Keep going. Now we got to remove the one above it.
Right here.
Okay, we got damage here. Oh, we have damage here. Where's that? I'm sorry, I don't want to damage it. Oh, right here. There it is. Okay, so we got the shingle broke right there. There, right here, we have granulate loss right here, as you can see.
A little bit of a...
Okay. So in this spot, we have 3 spots that are damaged. Can we mark those damages, please? Okay, then the first one. Okay, and then we had right here, this one right here. Look at that, the granite loss right there. Okay, alrighty, okay. So, and every time we come across one, you're gonna mark it. So go ahead, let's do the next one. You see it's, oh, we got granite right there. Yep, right here. You have loss right there. Good. You see it's becoming a little hard. It's actually kind of stuck. Oh, right there. Right here. Yep. Right there. That's 2. Oh, right here. It's, as you can see, it's starting to, all that granule, yep. And it's piercing through right here. And you see he's doing it very gently. It got stuck and, okay, mark that. Yeah, it's stuck there, that's what it is. Okay. Right there, yep. Okay, mark that. You got granule loss there. Okay, so during this attempted repair to remove this shingle, we damaged this shingle 4 times. We also damaged the above shingle 3 spots, and then the shingle above that, we have 4 spots where it was damaged. This, please mark attempt failed. Just put failed. It's failed the repair test. So this attempted repair at 9808 South Kennett has failed. We can keep going and creating a domino effect throughout this whole roof. So there is no way that this roof is going to be able to be repaired. Attempted repair has failed.